Assalamualaikum. This is me Abeera Mushtaq from Fascinating Event Organizer, and we also organize two events. The one is the birthday party and the second is marriage ceremony. I have 6 members in my team and I divide 6 responsibilities to the 6 people. So I would like to call my team member one by one and they introduce themselves.
Salman, I am the manager of all program. It's my responsibility to do all the program do on its time. I would like to share the schedule of our program. The schedule of our program is that first we start the music, then we play some different types of games. After the games, you will enjoy a magic show. After completing which we will cut the cake and take some photos. After that, we serve the food. We hope you will like our games, foods, and magic shows. Magic shows. If you have types of any types of complaints and compliments, you will contact us definitely. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sadia, and in this event, my responsibility is decoration, singing, and music. In front side of door, it will be decorated with flowers and balloons. The music is so attractive and good for children, and the singer is very professional and it sing very well, like happy birthday song, and inshallah, he will not disappoint you. That's it from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. This is me Areesha Mushtaq. I am organizer. We will organizer of menu, food, drink, and some refreshment. We have some supper food like macaroni, noodles, or nuggets, lace, nimco, etc. Or we have some refreshment like chocolate cake or ice cream, faluda. Or we will organize some drinks like juice or cold drink. Or we have some dinner like biryani, mutton pulao, or barbecue.
We will organize with 4 kids all games. We will enjoy a lot of people in birthday party. That's all my side. Thanks.
It's me Sarah, and my responsibility is to tell you that where this function will be in. This birthday function will be on banquet, which is in Gulshan. The banquet name is Red Rose, and the birthday function will be held on 16th July. And the coming timing is sharp 7 o'clock, and the cake cutting timing is 8:30, and the dinner timing is around 9:30, and the cake and the going time is 11 o'clock. And this is our duty to not let you disappointed, and we are putting our full efforts to make you and your guest happy. Thank you.
That's all from my team. Hope you like our team and our planning. If you like, you will book and visit our website www.fascinatingteamorganizer, and you will contact us on 032182125677. May you like, and our office located on TESOL, and the timing is 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Thank you.